Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to personalize the noise cancellation feature on the Redmi Buds 5. So the first step is to open the Xiaomi Earbuds app. Then from here, ensure that the buds are connected via the app. Once they're connected, you can now open the case to establish a connection between the two devices. And then once they're connected, you should see noise cancellation. So if you want to enable noise cancellation, the first step is to wear the buds. And once both buds or a singular bud is in, select noise cancellation. And then from here, you should see three options on the slider. So if you have noise cancellation set to deep, then it should block out all the noise that you currently is surrounding you. If you have it set to balanced, then it will balance out the noise, filtering out the important from unimportant. And then if you have light, then the noise cancellation will be light, so you'll still be able to hear any background noise if it's loud enough. So it's up to you to decide which option suits your preferences. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.